Want some of this? Hey, don't eat my dinner. Want some? There you go. Good boy.
Happy Father's Day.